have been times when times were hard, but always somehow I made it. Peace and love, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the share button so we can get the word out about this pre-market analysis videos, and also to help the channel grow. Appreciate all the love and support, but let's get to it. Yesterday, the market is coming in, it's kind of flat. Futures are mixed a little bit. Looks like one of those, it's a tug of war going on in pre-market right now. And so I expect things to eventually settle. After the market settles, things to start running. Yesterday, to recap a few plays from yesterday, we went in on AMC yesterday. We're looking at the daily chart. And coming in from the previous day, yesterday it gapped up and it ran hard. It did not take out the previous high of 2036 right up here. It did not take out this candle. So today we're expecting it to take out this candle and continue. However, this is a play that we're a little, we're going to play it by eye because if it does not take out this high, we might be in trouble. So it may retrace, or it may consolidate right up in here, or maybe even drop. So we're going to keep a close eye on this, hoping that at the open it contends and eventually takes out this high. However, it is coming in a little down in pre-market. That's not the end of the world. That's kind of expected, especially after being on this latest run for the last 3 days, coming from a low of $12.17. It went up to $19.95 yesterday. So a little pullback is expected. We bought time on it, so we'll see how that one turns out. Also, yesterday we went in on CGC. CGC, we actually went very long on these. We got calls out to October. It's a marijuana stock, and they're starting to fire up for the earnings reports next week. So we expect to get some uptick on that moving forward. And also, so we're going in, we see that they're up in pre-market actually. So we're going in again today on more calls on this stock. Again, the volume is increasing and whatnot for as they report earnings next week. So keep this on your watch list as well. And today's plays that we're looking at, I'm going to share a few. One being Beyond. Beyond is you see Beyond gapped up on Monday, and it's been on a run based off of news that it has. And Beyond is a company that I play a lot, so I know that they do have these runs like this. So we're going in again on more calls today. We see it's gapped up ridiculously. It's gapped up damn near $10. I just noticed that. It was up about $3 a little while ago, and now it's up $8 from yesterday. So again, it's a great play, and we expect this thing to really take off. Beyond has been known to give you big runs like this, and typically when it's in its area, specifically if we look right here, you see a nice run, a nice clean run up into the 140s. Expect the same coming up right here in this area where it's trading right now. So Beyond is definitely something we're looking to get into today. Also, Chewy. Chewy is another one. Yesterday it came out, it ran hard. but then it pulled back, and I love that. I love that for an entry. So today we called this one last week, and it didn't do what we liked it to do. It didn't do what I wanted it to do. So I ended up taking a little short. I think about a 13% loss. I cut my ties with it since it wasn't doing what I wanted it to do, and that's a part of risk management that that we sometimes when the stock is not doing what you expect it to do, instead of sitting there waiting on it, losing money and waiting on it to come back, uh, what I tend to do is just um, get out and then re-enter once I see confirmation. So I like what I'm seeing this week. And TRU Report's earnings, I believe, June the 10th. So and they typically run up pretty good going into earnings. So I'm expecting this thing to eventually get up here in the $80 range very soon. It would be nice if it did it today. So definitely put Chewy on your watch list for today. And one more we're looking at is Tilray. Tilray. We've been waiting on Tilray for a while. It's been consolidating for a long time. The last couple of days, we see it starting to make some upward movement, taking out previous highs and whatnot, and creating higher lows and higher highs as well. So we expect that to, and it's up in pre-market. So we expect it to get a good entry on this here. They report earnings next week, and we see a lot of volume coming in for earnings. So definitely keep that on your watch list as well. And we're also looking at other positions that we've had that have not quite done as well last week. We're looking to re-enter those like DocuTime. That's one of them that reports next week. Doing pretty well. Big Lots kind of didn't want to get into that because they report in the morning, and I don't want to tell people. I may play something and hold it through earnings if I feel a certain way about it. But that's something that you can keep an eye on for yourself as well. So that concludes the video. Sorry, I'm kind of late this morning. Time kind of got away from me, even though I've been up since 6 o'clock. But nevertheless, this is what we're looking at today. Hit the like button, hit the share button. Oh, and today is Tech Thursdays. We have Tech Thursdays where we show you all technical analysis. We do that on a Zoom video, and that will be today as well. If you're interested, reach out for the link, and I'll put the link in the comments. So that concludes our video for today. Thank you for all the support. Please hit the like button. Please hit the share button. And if you have not already, subscribe to the channel so we can help the channel grow. Peace and love. Happy trading.